A sharp, red eye monitors every vibration in the undergrowth. A venomous giant glides silently across the damp earth. Patience is the primary weapon of this avian hunter.
Sensitive sensors detect the presence of a hidden predator.
The hunter moves closer with quiet and deliberate grace. Every movement of the serpent is smooth and efficient. The bird prepares to enter the danger zone below. Instinct alerts the serpent to a change in surroundings. Gravity assists the hunter in its silent, rapid descent. The landing is silent, marking the start of battle. The target is massive, but the bird remains undeterred. A defensive hood signals the end of the piece.
Visual intimidation is the first phase of the attack.
Lethal chemical weapons are ready for a fatal strike. Two masters of survival face off in the wild.
A natural weapon designed for piercing thick, scaly skin.
Potential energy waits for the slightest trigger of movement. A calculated gamble determines the success of the hunt. Deceptive movements play a vital role in this confrontation. The focus is absolute as the first move approaches. A towering hood serves as a lethal warning signal.
Feathers are puffed to project a more formidable size. Circling movement tests the serpent's defensive reaction speed.
Sensory input guides the snake through the thickening tension.
Wing displays create a confusing visual for the serpent.
A false strike measures the opponent's defensive reflexes. Quick footwork ensures the hunter remains out of reach. Absolute focus defines the cold gaze of the serpent. The giant moves lower to protect its vulnerable underside. Tail feathers provide a deceptive target for the snake. Oiled muscles store energy for an explosive forward lunge. Visual precision is essential for the coming high-speed strike. Maximum intimidation is used to force a retreat. A vocal challenge signals the bird's refusal to back down.
Strategic positioning provides the leverage needed for an attack.
Natural tools are honed for this specific deadly encounter. Constant tracking ensures the snake is never flanked.
Defensive wing postures minimize the risk of a bite.
The standoff ends as the first true attack begins. A high-speed aerial strike finds its mark on the hood. Lightning-fast counterattacks push the bird into a defensive retreat. Gravity-assisted pecs deliver a heavy blow to the serpent's neck. Chaos erupts as the serpent thrashes in a blurred frenzy.
A tactical strike to the tail disrupts the snake's balance.
A tactical retreat allows the hunter to recalibrate its strategy.
The serpent's aggression leads to a high-speed missed strike.
Dust and debris create a temporary screen for the hunter. The disoriented serpent struggles to track its agile opponent. A sweeping tail attack threatens to ground the agile bird.
Dominance is asserted through a powerful and resonant vocalization.
High-velocity clashes push both predators to their physical limits. The struggle intensifies as they grapple in the forest mud.
A near-fatal bite misses its mark by a fraction.
Wing buffets are used to stun the massive hooded opponent.
The hunter prepares its final move to end the battle.
Fatigue slows the serpent's once lightning-fast reactions.
Precise strikes target the body to drain the serpent's energy.
Calculated displays keep the predator in control of the fight. A moment of dominance before the final phase begins.
No ground is given in this lethal jungle chess game.
Heavy blows begin to paralyze the serpent's nervous system.
Confidence grows as the risk of a counterattack vanishes.
The hunter readies its body for the final decisive blow.
Proud hood fails as life energy slowly drains away.
A final calculation before the killing strike is delivered.
Strategic positioning ensures the bird remains in total control.
Sensory organs fail as the serpent's body shuts down. Victory is visible in the eyes of the hunter. The once mighty serpent reaches the point of complete exhaustion.
Victory is in sight for the patient avian hunter.
Final sensory signals from the fading jungle giant.
The hunter readies its body for the final decisive blow.
Keratin tests the air for visual and spatial precision.
Strategic positioning guarantees the bird remains in total control. Final dying reflexes mark the end of the struggle.
Patience confirms that survival struggle has officially concluded.
The proud hooded giant has finally fallen in defeat. The sun rises on the new master of this domain.
Victory and relief are visible in the hunter's eyes.
A victorious hunter watches its domain with pride.
Every step here decides survival.
Patience sharpens every hunter. Distance is the first defense. Warnings come before violence.
Mistakes cost energy fast.
Precision beats raw force. Momentum is slipping away.
Timing decides the outcome.
Survival favors the patient. Lightning-fast counterattacks push the bird into a defensive retreat. Precision maneuvers keep the bird clear of the strike zone.
Gravity-assisted pecks deliver a heavy blow to the serpent's neck.
Chaos erupts as the serpent thrashes in a blurred frenzy.
A tactical strike to the tail disrupts the snake's balance.
Coiled power explodes into a lethal and precise forward lunge.
The serpent's aggression leads to a high-speed missed strike.
Dust and debris create a temporary screen for the hunter.